Welcome back, guys. This is another tutorial for how we can use it from the search engine optimize from the user server check status, which is important from your website is download time or another one. So we try for Turkish.CO.UK how it's gonna work from the response from the users around the world. So we are using Cloudflare CDN network, which is his lovely ones. I told you the links previous video. So we check it for how it works. So we try for them. Oops, less than 1 second. It sounds good because status is online. Responsibility HTML code from them. So what does mean this blogger in website is more than 5 seconds. Your website is gonna be horrible because it's less than 5 seconds around the world. Your website is will be great. You understandable how it works. Systems is another one is will be great for your system statistic from the or your website. So your website must be fast and reliable and easily and publish. I hope you understand this tutorial for the case. See you the next one. Bye bye.